You can download, edit, and submit files using a Chromebook. This includes file types such as Word documents, PDFs, pictures, and other files, whether you are getting the files from Canvas, or from your phone, or from another email account. In order to edit a Word document on a Chromebook, you will have to download the document, then upload it to your OneDrive before you edit it. Go to the document that you want to download. In this example, we are downloading a Word document from Canvas. Click on the document link, not on the magnifying glass. While the document is downloading, open a new tab and log into your student email. Then go to the 9 white squares in the top left corner next to Outlook. Click on the 9 white squares, then click on OneDrive. Now we're going to upload the file you downloaded earlier. Once your OneDrive files come up, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of Upload, then click Files. Then you will click on the folder where your files are downloaded to. This is usually the Downloads folder on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, click on the file you want to upload. Once you click on the file, you should see a blue check mark next to the file. Then click Open. The file should appear in your OneDrive files list. To edit the file, click to the left of the file, then click Open in Browser. In this example, the file is a Word document with a picture. Instead of typing on the picture, click beneath the picture and you will type your answers there. Remember that files in your OneDrive will automatically be saved.